I've been active all my life, and I like to stay active.
I always rode my bike, walked,
Playing softball is a very important part of my life.
and then my knees started to react when I would do exercise.
My knees started aching me.
I could not run or walk any distance.
It was horrible, really.
I spent a lot of time by myself because I simply couldn't go out.
Playing golf became a job. It wasn't fun anymore.
I did not want to give up my skiing. I didn't want to give up my tennis.
But I was really hurting.
It never got any better, no matter how long I rested it or how much I iced it.
I was frustrated and humiliated that I couldn't keep up.
It affected me emotionally, and I got into a lot of depression.
I kept thinking that tomorrow, next week, a month from now, they're going to come out with some new super way to repair these knees.
And I was just hoping and waiting for the time that something new and different would come along.
When I heard about this MAKO, I decided that was the way for me to go.
What I know about MAKO is that it's precise. It doesn't take away the procedure from the doctor. He's still in control, but everything is programmed in there so that he's not going to be able to make a mistake.
The MAKO procedure went extremely well.
Later that day, I was standing on it with very little to no pain.
All I had was one pain pill.
And the nurse said, "Are you sure you don't have any pain?" I said, "I don't have any pain. I would tell you in a second if I had pain."
My surgery was on a Saturday, and I probably could have gone to work the following Monday, but I decided to take one more day.
My friends were quite surprised at how rapidly I improved.
Yeah, I was playing tennis about 4 months after I had my knee done. And again, I'm not 25 years old.
I hit a bucket of balls, and I was able to turn, and no pain, and it just felt wonderful.
I like the improvement in my knee. I can do cardio 5 times a week. I'm delighted with the result, absolutely delighted with the result.
No pain, no struggle, no suffering, quick recovery.
My knees feel now like they did 30 years ago.
I have to be honest with you, although I'm 81 years old, I am one of the fastest runners in the league. I'm substitute running for guys 15 and 20 years younger than I.
I'm very happy with the procedure. I would recommend it to everybody.
MAKO was the best decision I ever made.
I wish the rest of my body felt as good as my knees do.